What's on your shirt?
Oh, it's a tree.
So we've marked X on these trees because these are the trees that we were advised to take down due to safety reasons. These trees are really dangerous to the house itself. It's directly above it, above the roof, and they're actually dead. They're actually rotting too. So just for safety reasons, we decided it would be best to take them down. So I also want to add that we're actually really bummed about this. We love trees, we love nature, so this was something we were trying to avoid. However, it's just due to safety reasons, and we don't want anyone getting hurt, so it's kind of out of our control at the moment. So for certain trees, there are permits that need to be processed before cutting down certain trees. And so that is what we're working on. We're getting measurements, filling out the form for the permits, and we are looking for a licensed professional who can do the job in a very safe way. We've actually had some trouble finding someone who can do this job. We've had several estimates done with a few people trying to rip us off. But all we're asking for here is just a reasonable price and to be done as soon as possible. Any further delay can cost us a lot of money. Hopefully by next week we'll have a final decision. Alright, we finally found someone to do the tree removal, so this is just a couple of after shots after the tree removal. Again, we're not done with the house, this is just so you can have an idea of how it looks like so far.